Bonjour et bienvenue en francophile. Je m'appelle Shamika et je suis enseignante de français. This video is the second part of les adjectifs. Les adjectifs means adjective. Last week we did part 1. So check that out. I'll give the link in the description box. Let's start. Jeune. Jeune means young. Vieux. Vieille means old. Laid means ugly. Léger. Légère means light but in weight. Lourd. Lourde means heavy. Commun. Commune means common. Rare. Rare means rare. Naive. Naive means naive or innocent. Sincere. Sincere means sincere. Agréable. Agréable means pleasant. Animé. Animé means lively. Mauvais. Mauvaise. Bad. Jolie. Jolie means pretty. Romantique. Romantique. Romantic. Important. Importante means important. Obligatoire. Obligatoire means mandatory. Méchant. Méchante means naughty. Nouveau. Nouvelle. New. Ancien. Ancienne means old. Paresseux. Paresseuse means lazy. Petit. Petite means small. Plein. Plein means full. Vide. Vide means empty. Proche. Proche means near. Loin. Loin means far. Énergique. Énergique means energetic. Large. Large means wide. Long. Long means long. And drôle. Drôle means funny. So practice this and we will meet in the next video. A bientôt.